the secrets keep. Trying to get some sleep, counting sheep. Wanna go to the shops but the flood's too deep. Devon Conway, 9:05, woke up late. 2 minutes lessons, it's hard to concentrate.
Sitting in class, wishing I was sleeping. The teacher shouts at me, I feel like screaming.
She's so mean, I start to daydream. It's just another day in YDC. Feeling so bored, lying on the floor. I can't take it anymore.
Bacon baguette is the best. Really sets me up for my maths test. 2 + 2 = 4. Learning is what we come here for.
Devon Conway, Llanrwst where the secrets keep. Trying to get some sleep, counting sheep. Wanna go to the shops but the flood's too deep. Devon Conway.
Hot summer's day, go to shops. 99p ice creams and frozen ice pops. We look at each other, we know what's in store. We end up having an ice cream war.
Friday night, have a sleepover. Stock up at the shops with snacks and Coca-Cola. Spend all night, watch your TikToks. Look at the clock till we drop. Devon Conway, Llanrwst where the secrets keep. Trying to get some sleep, counting sheep. Wanna go to the shops but the flood's too deep. Devon Conway.